How you doing, folks? Just thought I'd step outside a minute and enjoy some of this beautiful Alabama spring weather. I just want to share something with you today, and I'm going to post everything in the description below of what I'm sharing today. I want to share with you 7 tools that I have used over the years that have made my job as a custodian much easier. Sorry for the air conditioner noise. But it has made my job much easier as a custodian over the last 20 plus years. And if I had to buy these tools myself, I would. And some of them I have. So check these tools out, and I hope you enjoy the channel and subscribe to the channel, and everything that you see today will be in the description below.
Now you don't give me no brownie points for it neither. There you are, trying to outdo somebody again.
If I was going to buy one tool that I needed to buy with my own money, because it will last for years, it would be the clamp style mop handle. If you've seen my videos before about any kind of mops, everything, you'll see me use this handle a lot. I actually have one of these in my house. Not that you can look at my floor and tell that I use it very much, but I've got one at my house. I would get me a loop in. It doesn't necessarily have to be microfiber, but a cotton rayon, a blend mop, either one. But I like the loop in mops because they last a long time. They got wide bands and they grip these handles really good. These 2 tools right here, if I had to buy them myself, I would, because I'm all about making my job easier.
I ain't spending none of my own money. I don't care how hard it is. You idiot. You're just stupid or something. Idiot.
Y'all know I love my squeegee. Absolutely. Window squeegee. But if I was going to buy anything, it would be a good 10 to 12 inch window squeegee, for sure. On my list is a spiderweb brush.
Hey, stupid. It's called a cobweb brush. Not a spider brush. Cobweb.
Definitely. I use it to clean fence. I clean baseboard, lips. I clean lots of things with this right here. Got a great extension handle with this one. See the dust flying? Probably can't, but I can. I like a spackle trowel or something that I can do a little scraping with for gum. I know some guys carry some little razor blade things in their pockets. I also use this tool also when I'm cleaning windows, when I have panic bars on my doors, my exit doors, where I can't get behind them. I'll take a rag and fold it up and put it behind the panic bar and run across to get that water that runs down those streaks. This is a very handy tool. Spackle trowel. It's one of these universal water keys for the outside spigots. I keep one of these in my truck. It's my own personal one. This one belongs to where I work. My own personal one, I have one. Because I've caught myself in a bind many times where somebody borrowed my universal key to my outside water spigots and I couldn't find it. So I can just go out to my truck, open my console, get this bad boy out, and it's always a good handy tool. And this right here is a double foam squeegee. Very, very soft. A few weeks ago where I had a commode that was flooding over, and this right here was my life savior. I cannot tell you how many times this little squeegee right here, these double foam squeegees, have got me out of binds and saved me a lot of back pain and trouble. For sure. Love the double foam squeeze. So folks, I hope you found that useful, and like I said, everything that you've seen today, I've got it in the description, and hope that you don't have to buy stuff yourself. I hope everything's supplied. I'm lucky enough for where I work now that everything I need is supplied. Yes, sir. I don't have to worry about it. But anyway, I'm all about, if I can make things a little bit easier, and it can save me some time, it can save me some energy, hey, I'll spend $1 here and there if I need to. This stuff's not very expensive. So, ask for it. If you can't get it, hey, come click on my descriptions here and get it yourself. You know? So I hope you have a great day. Enjoy the channel. Subscribe. See ya.